everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'll be using this WETLINE Extreme Professional Styling Gel. I saw this being a trend online, so I decided to try it out, and I'll be using this gel to define my curls and also give you guys my honest opinion about this gel. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So let's get right into this video. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. My hair is freshly washed. I don't have any product on my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my leave-in conditioner, just a small amount, this much, because I don't want any residue or flaking on my hair, so I'm not gonna use too much of my leave-in conditioner. So this is what my hair looks like before adding the gel to my hair. Just gonna give you guys a close-up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these in sections. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this in sections. You guys get what I'm talking about.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me blow. Tell me what you want then bro. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow.
So now for the gel, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up.
Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one no be private show.
It doesn't have a weird smell, and it also doesn't have a overpowering smell, so that's good. Alright, so for the consistency, this is the consistency of it. So before putting this product on my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair with some water, and this is just water that's in my bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair with water, then I'm gonna add the gel to my hair.
You don't know. Bad man.
Remember you guys, this is a wash and go, so you want to do this when your hair is extremely wet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this amount of the gel. I'm gonna put it on my hair. Ooh, I like it. Ooh. Look at that. Just gonna continue raking the product in my hair. Then I'm gonna take like sections by sections, and I'm gonna twirl it like so. Just so to find it.
Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow.
So this is what the back section looks like, and my curls are super defined, super juicy. Look at that bounce. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire section or the entire head, and I'll be right back.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and bro. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one no be private show. Tell me blow. Tell me what you want and bro. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your
So all I'm doing, you guys, is just some small finger coils just to enhance my curls. Now I'm on to my last section, you guys, and all I'm doing, just repeating the same steps. So I did a little side part, this side, and I'm coiling everything and dropping them this way, just the front part. So yeah.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go if you late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you.
So this is what my hair looks like now. I'm just gonna cover my face and give it a quick little shake.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I think.
So now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, and I clip this part away just so that I can make it look more like a side part. That makes sense. So yep, blow dryer time.
Say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her, so I wanting her more.
So I went ahead and I did my makeup offline. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pick my curls out with my pick comb.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You're done now.
So for my overall review on this product, it doesn't have a harsh smell. The smell is kind of pleasant, but it's not too harsh, if you get what I mean. For those who already used it, you guys know what I'm talking about. But I don't know, I don't see what the hype was about, because I did get a lot of flaking, as you guys can see. It did define my curls, no lie. My curls are popping, popping or whatever. But for the flaking part, that's a no-no. So I'll rate this product. I'll give it like 6 out of 10. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not good. But for my first wash and go, I did a good job. I'll probably use another product next time for my next wash and go. But yeah, this is the final product, the final view, the final result, all of that good stuff. So it kind of has a hard cast on it, not too hard, but you know, yeah. But yeah, this is it. Drop a comment down below if you guys use this, but this is the blue cover one because it's still the WETLINE Extreme Gel, but this is the blue covered one. I think this is the new one. So let me know what you guys think about this product, and if you guys have used it, and what's your review on it. So yeah, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, girl.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. I'm on Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she